Owls are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics. Here are some interesting facts about owls. Owls are primarily nocturnal birds, which means they are most active during the night. Their specialized adaptations, such as excellent night vision and silent flight, help them hunt effectively in the dark. They possess special wing features that enable them to fly silently. The structure of their wing feathers reduces turbulence and noise, allowing them to approach their prey quietly. Owls have forward-facing eyes, which gives them excellent depth perception and binocular vision. This is particularly helpful for hunting small animals in low light conditions. These birds have disproportionately large eyes in relation to their head size. These large eyes gather more light, allowing them to see in dim light and giving them a superior advantage during nighttime hunting. They have a highly flexible neck that can rotate up to 270 degrees in some species. This adaptability helps them compensate for their fixed eye sockets and enables them to spot prey without moving their body. Owls are carnivorous birds that feed on a wide range of prey, including rodents, insects, small mammals, and even other birds. Their diet varies based on their habitat and species. They are equipped with strong talons with sharp claws used to catch, grip, and kill their prey. The strength of their talons varies based on the size of their preferred prey. Many owl species have a facial disc, a ring of feathers surrounding their face. This disc helps direct sound to their ears, enhancing their ability to pinpoint the exact location of prey based on sound alone. They have incredibly acute hearing, often much better than their eyesight. Their facial disc helps funnel sound to their asymmetrical ears, allowing them to determine the direction of sounds with high accuracy. Owls typically have cryptic plumage that helps them blend into their surroundings, providing them with effective camouflage against predators and allowing them to surprise their prey. These birds can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems, ranging from forests and grasslands to deserts and tundras. Owls have held various symbolic meanings across cultures. They are often associated with wisdom, intelligence, mystery, and sometimes superstition. In some cultures, they are considered omens or messengers. There are over 200 species of owls, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some well-known owl species include the barn owl, great horned owl, snowy owl, and Eurasian eagle owl. These facts showcase the remarkable adaptations and behaviors that make owls such captivating and intriguing birds.